Hello yarn gremlins, happy March. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. So today is the official release of March's subscription boxes for Full Spectrum. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. If you are new, I would really appreciate a sub, and if everybody could like the video and leave a comment, even if it's just an emoji, it would help your girl out a ton. So on your screen, there are a couple of pictures right now. This is to show you inspiration for this month's subscription boxes, and also so I can give you a disclaimer that you are about to see all of the yarn. So if you do not want to see it, look away, and you will not be able to look back for the rest of the video. So, okay. So this month, I am doing, one colorway for the nostalgic collection, but it's for two different books. I'm going to do that sometimes because there's so many great books that I want to include, but not enough months to include them. And some of them are similar. Like this one, these are the colors that it kind of had to be for both of these books. And so we're combining. All right. So we're going to get right into it. This is the nostalgia collection. Oops, let me move this. This is Anne of Green Gables, and Where the Wild Things Are. So the colors were kind of similar for both. So yeah, we just combined it. But if you saw the pictures, you can definitely see where I pulled the color from. Obviously the green for both, the brown for his fur, the tan, and then over here is gray. It's not showing up quite how it actually looks, but this is gray and sage, which in the forest behind kind of looked like this. Her dress had gray, his feet were gray, and so yeah. That's where I pulled kind of the color inspiration from those. So this is Anne of Green Gables and Where the Wild Things Are. I really like this colorway. I think it's really cool. It's different than what I've done. And good news, it being March, St. Patrick's Day is this month, and both colorways will have you covered from being pinched. Okay, now this is the Zodiac collection. This is Pisces. And I know this looks very similar to colorways I've done before because, I mean, of course, I dip into these colors a lot. I like them. They're fun. But this was done in a very, very different way. I was layering. I put a lot of work into this, and it was so much fun. And I can't wait to do it for you guys. I can't wait for you guys to see it and see just how much color is in each, like, section. There's so many colors. So I layered tonals. You really can't see it till you get it in front of your face to see how many speckles and pops of color there are in just a short little area. And I did speckle it with navy, so that was fun too. I haven't done speckling in a long time, and yeah, so I speckled it with navy. So this is Pisces. Now I want you guys to tell me below, would you want me to tell you what each color means for each month? Because for Pisces, like, it gave lilac, aquamarine, sea foam, and it tells you like what each color means. So I could totally do that. This is kind of being blown out by the color, or by my light. It is darker than this, so just keep that in mind. But I mean, it's fairly true. It's just not quite as bright in your face. Okay, so this is not a colorway that I'm doing this month, unless you want it. I mean, if you want it, you can call it oopsie. I'm totally fine to do it. But so this was an oopsie. I accidentally laid navy down when I meant to lay spruce down. I'm using this as a tool to tell you the next thing. Every colorway that is released can also be released in an extended color pack. So basically what that means is, like, this this colorway right here has purple, navy, spruce, and then it has a couple of lighter colors in it as well. So 5 colors. If you see this and you don't like variegated, or you would love to make a bigger project out of these colors and have them in solid form, that is what a color pack is. So what I do is I draw the colors out of this and I make it into a pack. So it will be a 5-pack for all 3 of these colorways. It would be a 5-pack. So it would be 5 hanks of solid colors. So this one would be a navy hank, a dark purple hank, a dark spruce hank, and then the color that's kind of in between the blue and the green, and the color that's in between the blue and the purple. 5 hanks. So same thing for the other 2 colorways. And if you order it during the ordering window of each month, then it will have subscription box prices of $20 a hank, versus if you ordered it any other time, it would be custom prices, which is $25 a hank. So good deal, good deal. So this being March, the birthstone for March is aquamarine. This is a screenshot of the birthstone collection release last year of the aquamarine colorway. Okay, so we are going to get into how to order and pricing. Please pay attention if you plan to put an order through. So orders are money is due between now the 1st and the 8th of every month, and I ship between the 15th and the 20th. Understand shipping is kind of crazy right now. There's been lots of delays in getting to me, delays in getting out to you guys. I'm not the only company to be experiencing this, so it will ship out by the 20th, but sometimes it gets there quick and sometimes it doesn't, and I don't have any control over that. I ship through USPS and UPS. So no matter what it is that you order, it is $20 per hank. And then no matter how many you order, the shipping is $7 for your order. If you want to throw more because you know it'll be more than that, totally fine, welcome, but you don't have to. So if you order 4 hanks, that's $80 plus $7 shipping, so $87. You can order through PayPal, Zelle, and Cashapp. If you need Venmo, just let me know. And please make sure that you include your name and your address. And if you have an apartment number, your apartment number, because they will not deliver it to your apartment's office. They will bring it right back. Okay, so how you order, the verbiage that you are going to use. You can order in fingering weight, DK weight, or worsted weight. Fingering weight is 437 yards, DK weight is 231 yards, and Aran weight or worsted weight is 187 yards. 100% superwash merino, 19.5 micron. I am going back to my original company that has the super nice squishy yarn. So the bases will be a little bit softer than what they have been the past few months. It'll be the nice squishy lofty ones that everybody loves so much. I love them too. Okay, so the way that you're going to order, if you are ordering the what is your name? Who are you? You are the Nostalgia Collection. Sorry. If you're ordering the Nostalgia Collection, it's going to be NC for Nostalgia Collection. So you would just like 2 DK NC or 2 NC DK. You know, just letting me know your weights. Make sure you put your weights so that I know, you know, your weights and which collection you're ordering. Otherwise, I won't know what to dye for you. And it will take a lot of extra time having to reach out. And then this is the Zodiac Collection. So if you're wanting the Zodiac Collection, then ZC for Zodiac Collection. And BC for Birthstone Collection. You can order as much as you want, as little as you want, in any combination that you want. You can order different weights, different collections. I have all kinds of, you know, combinations here. If you do want to order this, you totally can. I would not mind doing it. It's a beautiful colorway. It's just call it Oopsie. I don't know, that's silly, but just call it the oopsie colorway, and I can totally do that. So if you want to order a color pack, you're going to say CP for color pack, and they will all be 5 hanks, so that will be $100 for the pack plus $7 shipping. So you would just indicate color pack, which weight you want, and which collection you want. These color packs are really pretty. I don't want to dye them up ahead of time. Maybe that's a mistake, but I don't know what weight's going to be wanted, and it's a lot of yarn if it doesn't sell. So I feel like you guys are very smart, imaginative people. You can totally look at a colorway and see what colors are going to be pulled out of that to make an extended pack. And yeah, and then there will be a little extra. Of course, there's always extras. My daughter is making you guys something. I'm super excited. So that will be the little extra included in this month's box. If you have any questions on how to order, I know if you're new, it can be a lot up front. It's absolutely understandable. You can just email me at the email in the description box below. You'll also find all the payment methods below. But you can just email me and let me know you're struggling and what you're wanting to do, and we can totally work it out through email. It is not a big deal at all. You'll get the hang of it. So yeah, that is it. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. I'm going to finish up this. I am ending several tutorials. They're kind of all ending at once, which is great. So those will be coming out. But I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Toodles.